Okay, so good morning, team. So today we are in our first quarter of our meeting. So this morning we will going to set the foundation. So the Greenway Food is planning to launch or extend our market in Singapore and Malaysia within 9 months. So our task is to develop or to decide on the communication strategy, the budget allocation, the staff training, the handling of internal resistance, and the KPI monitoring plan. So now let's start our meeting. So our vision is clear. So we need to expand our healthy food brand into Southeast Asia. So we need first to align or the alignment on how we execute this.
So, we will start with digital campaigns and influencer partnership in Singapore. So, allocate $150,000 to marketing.
That leaves us 350,000. Operation and HR, how much do you need?
We'll need 120,000 for supply chain partnerships and local distribution hubs.
And also, 80 pesos, 80,000 pesos for cross-cultural training, product knowledge, and onboarding local hires.
Some employees are anxious rumors are spreading about job shifts. We need transparent communication now.
So agreed. So we hold on or we'll hold the company-wide virtual town hall, and also we will ask for the weekly updates. So HR, so take the lead on the internal newsletter. So Miss Ripella,
I'll arrange feedback forums and one-on-one meetings with concerned staff. Let's also spotlight growth opportunities for current staff.
okay, so good morning, team. So we will so we are now in our quarter two of our meeting. So we will um um we will launch our product. So our product has been launched in Singapore. So today the initial reviews are strong, but our logistics costs are higher than expected. So we need to decide on our communication updates, our budget allocation, and also our upskilling, and also our resistance in the market. And also we need to track our early sales and our brand awareness of the customer. So
Shipping costs have spiked. We need to cut off 15% from our remaining $150, $150,000.
We can delay the Malaysia rollout to next quarter and renegotiate supplier terms.
I'll scale back influencer spending and prioritize social ads.
And I'm expanding the training to include customer service modules based on early feedback.
So staff morale has improved, but some feel left out of decision making. Can we involve frontline voices more?
okay, so thank you guys. So let's launch an employee voice committee, and also rotate repetitions each month. So thank you. That's it for our meeting today.
Thank you.
So good morning, team. So welcome to our meeting for today. So this morning we will going to evaluate and adapt our market. So this our final quarter. So the Singapore is performing well. So as we know. So my question is that should we expand into Malaysia or wait a major US competitor just to enter the market? So we will decide on the scaling decision, our communication strategies, our long-term plan, and our threats. So as we have observed, so with the rising competition, so we need to act fast, but also we need to act smart. So do we need to expand or double down in Singapore?
So I suggest a loyalty program to lock in customers and differentiate from the US competitor.
We can afford to expand, but only if projections in Singapore stay stable for 2 more months.
I propose leadership coaching for local teams and a recognition program to boost engagement.
So staff feels more empowered now. The transparency has helped a lot.
Logistics are under control now, ready to scale with caution.
Okay, so we'll monitor Singapore KPLs closely. So if stable, Malaysia launch begins next quarter. So with improved training and also with the risk mitigation. So I think that's all for our meeting today, guys. So thank you.
Thank you. But before that, let's discuss or present first the debrief of our executive team.
Okay, so to present our initial plan. So our goal is to successfully enter the Southeast Asian market. So starting first with the Singapore. So our communication strategy will be weekly updates, internal town hall, and also employee newsletter. So for our budget allocation, so have discussed for the marketing, we will allocate $150,000, and the operations will be $120,000, and the HR training will be allocated $80,000, and the remaining is for the contingency fund, which is the $150,000. So for the staff training, we will focus on the cultural awareness and the product knowledge of our customers, and we will also give local customer services. And the KPI set is that we will be in the customer acquisition, the employee satisfaction, the social media engagement of the Greenway, and also the delivery of our product. So next.
So next is the how did we adapt the twist for the quarter one or the employee pushback? So first we introduced anonymous feedback channels, and lastly HR led listening sessions and reinforced internal career growth pathways. While in quarter two the budget cuts, we postponed Malaysia launch, reallocated the remaining funds for digital campaigns, and renegotiated supplier costs. Dahil ikat lang dahil ha. In quarter three, the new competitors, we launched a customer loyalty program and also enhanced local branding efforts and ramped up influencer content. And next is
So
the
for our
final
final
KPIs.
So for our final KPS in this decisions, so customer acquisition, so it surpassed initial target by 15% in Singapore, and for employee morale, rose from 68% to 81% after the transparency, measure, and empowerment strategies. And for our market share, we achieved 8% share in our Singapore's organic snack segment. And for decision, we'll proceed with cautious and Malaysia rollout backed by improved logistic and phase marketing.
Okay, so wants to offer their lesson learned. Okay, so before we end, so do you have any opinion, or can you offer some insights about our project or the expanded market project? So Mr. Avila.
For me, cross-functional collaboration is key. Regular sync and alignment messaging help to avoid silos. Ako gyapon na sunod.
Okay,
Sige.
so
Pasigwan ba lahi-lahi.
go.
Sige, sige. 1, 2, 3. And change management matters. Applying CUTI steps, especially creating a guide collation and communicating the data, made a real impact. Budget flexibility is crucial. Holding a contingency fund saved us during unforeseen cuts. Resistance is natural. Listening and acting on employee concerns turn potential blockers into allies. KPIs must involve. Early indicators help us pivot quickly before small problems became big ones.
Okay, so thank you. So I think that's our the end of our meeting today. So